Hi, welcome to Wickstrom Auto Group. My name is Jack. Before firing up the 2026 Mustang GTD, I'd like to walk you through a few key features about this incredible vehicle. First, let's talk about how the GTD is built. The Mustang GTD starts life at Ford's Flat Rock assembly plant in Michigan, alongside every other Mustang. However, it leaves the factory without its hood, roof, front fenders, or bumpers. The car is then transported to Multimatic in Canada, where it receives its specialized components, including its carbon fiber body panels and carbon fiber drive shaft. The carbon fiber drive shaft is especially important because the GTD uses a rear-mounted transaxle, helping transfer power to the rear while keeping weight low. Now, let's start at the rear of the car. This massive active wing is responsible for generating significant rear downforce. The swan neck pylons are mounted directly into the C-pillar structure for exceptional strength and rigidity. And the wing incorporates an active DRS system inspired by Formula One technology. Once the vehicle reaches approximately 35 miles per hour, the DRS system can activate, allowing the wing to open. When open, it reduces aerodynamic drag to improve straight-line performance. When closed, the wing maximizes downforce to enhance stability and grip. The system automatically opens or closes based on driving conditions and vehicle inputs. Moving lower, you'll notice the Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. Not only does it save weight, but it gives the GTD one of the most aggressive-sounding V8 exhaust notes Ford has ever put into a production car. Coming around the side of the car is this rear fender air curtain intake. Air flows through the vent and exits by the wheel well, creating an aerodynamic curtain around the tire, similar to a GT3 race car. Now looking at the wheels and tires, we have these massive wheels wrapped in 345-section Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, helping put all 815 horsepower to the pavement. Behind them sit enormous Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, engineered to withstand repeated track abuse while delivering consistent stopping power without fade. Up front, 325-section tires provide exceptional grip and precise steering response, helping balance the car's immense performance. Even the mirrors are unique to the GTD. While the shape resembles a standard Mustang, the mounting system and surrounding carbon fiber components are completely redesigned. Coming over to these massive front-end vents reduce about 200 pounds of front axle lift at speed. Ford engineers say this setup is more aggressive than what's allowed on the GT3 race car because the road car isn't limited by racing regulations. Up front, Ford designed an advanced cooling system with dedicated circuits for the engine, supercharger, and oil, helping the GTD withstand extended track sessions. Down low, the aggressive splitter and dive planes work with the underbody aerodynamics to generate downforce and keep the car planted at speed. Power comes from a supercharged 5.2-litre V8, producing 815 horsepower, paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle mounted in the rear. You'll also notice the large hood vents and gurney flaps, which help extract hot air and reduce pressure under the hood at high speeds. Stepping inside, you're greeted by hand-tailored Recaro seats, finished in laser-etched Mico suede, along with a unique steering wheel that combines leather and suede for maximum grip. This car also features the Spirit of America interior package, adding exclusive red, white, and blue accents throughout the cabin. And one of the coolest details, the titanium paddle shifters and rotary controls are made from titanium sourced from retired F-22 Raptor fighter jets. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's head over to the GTD and hear the supercharged V8 fire up.